The OSTA 2.5 quart air fryer utilizes advanced 360-degree rapid air circulation technology to deliver perfectly crispy and evenly cooked meals with significantly less oil. This air fryer features intuitive dual manual knobs that allow users to adjust the temperature and timer effortlessly, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks. With its compact design, the OSTBA air fryer is perfect for small kitchens or dormitories, providing ample cooking capacity for 1 to 2 people without taking up much counter space. The nonstick basket is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and easy cleaning, as it is dishwasher safe for a hassle-free experience. OSTBA offers a 1-year extended warranty with this air fryer, demonstrating their confidence in the product's quality and providing peace of mind to customers. This air fryer is a great choice for those looking to reduce energy consumption, as it uses up to 50% less energy compared to traditional ovens.